Assalamualaikum friend, now I am going to inform you about the SPT test which we have a power plant project in Abu Dhabi. So here is a rig. We have a rig number 122 and this borehole number is 22. And now first we have to do the drilling, and there are drilling process I will show you that at which depth we have to do the SPT test. SPT means external penetration test. So now you see there are the number of blows which we have to count. First is the 25 mm settlement, and then there is the 50 mm settlement. Let me show you the method. So see, this is the method of statement. I will not tell you to follow my method of statement, but it is different from the project site and different from the locations. As per our method of statement, we have to follow this. As you can see, we have to perform test at 0.5 meter from the ground level. You have to go 0.5 meter down, and then 0.5, and then 0.5 at every is one interval of 0.5. You have to do the test until you reach the depth 3 meter. Then after 3 meter you have to do test at 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. There is readings which I will show you, the bore logs, and in this also you have to mix the bentonite to perform the test. Also when there is a core, in the core you have uh, uh, to start drilling. When there is a core coming, you have to take the sample. At least you have to take the sample of 10 centimeter for the core. So which things you have to follow is the date and time, weather condition, make, model and type of drilling, borehole number, bore depth in meters, bore location describing coordinates and ground level. Material description, color, plasticity, consistency for cohesive soil, density for non-cohesive soil, moisture content, thickness of each geological stratum, record of soil sample and water encountered. Okay, so there is some details you can check. I have done for you. You have to read it thoroughly for the more details for the SPT test. Okay, here I show you the soil samples which we have to take in the wooden boxes, and we have to save it with the to save its moisture, and then we have to send it to the laboratory. And this is the way you can see the details that how we are taking the sample. If it is a core, then yeah, you have to take more than 10 centimeter. And here if you see, this is the bore log. Here when the SPT is more than 50, the soil is better, and less than 50 below, it means okay. This is the bore log. If you can see, there is also details at which depth. If you see at 4 meter, the SPT value is 50, number of below 50, more than 50, it means the problem is here the cement and sand. So bearing capacity is very low. Either we have to follow raft foundation, because another solution is not here. Soil is very big. Here you can see the type of sand, silty sand mostly, and dense. There down you can see the details of this one abbreviation for the core sample and other things. This you can check. Some things I can't show you, because there is a security safety of the project, and there is another I will show you from where the core is starting. So you see the depth 18 meters, there is a core starting. You can check it for your reference, and these are the soil samples, core sample. You have to count the number of below for the SPT, but sometimes if the rock is coming, so soil cannot penetrate more, then you have to, if you point, and you have to means stop at that point, because further SPT cannot be performed, and you have uh, to take the record. Okay, here are some pictures for your reference. Is the rig installed and our site condition where we did the borehole. Our borehole depth is 35 meter. Up to 35 meter we are taking the samples, and these are some pictures. So as per the site condition, you have to follow the safety. As it is a deserted area, so snakes should be there, and also get a safety helmet, safety shoes, and glasses must wear to protect your eyes from the wind. And thank you, and like, subscribe, follow my